विश्व की अग्रणी कंपनी स्टारकी ने भारत में सुनने की कई प्रकार की समस्याओं के अत्याधुनिक उपकरण जेनेसिस एआई हियरिंग एड के लॉन्च की घोषणा की। बता दें कि सुनने की समस्याओं में सुधार के लिए गहरी प्रतिबद्धता के साथ स्टारकी ने अत्याधुनिक समाधान पेश करके इनोवेशन की अपनी विरासत को जारी रखा है। विश्व स्वास्थ्य संगठन के अनुसार भारत में लगभग 63 मिलियन लोग महत्वपूर्ण सुनने की समस्या से पीड़ित हैं, जो प्रभावी समाधान की तत्काल आवश्यकता को उजागर करता है। भारत में जेनेसिस एआई को लॉन्च करते हुए स्टारकी के अध्यक्ष और सीईओ ब्रेंडन स्वालिच ने कहा कि हम भारत में मरीजों और हियरिंग केयर विशेषज्ञों के लिए जेनेसिस एआई को पेश करने के लिए उत्साहित हैं। नई तकनीक पहले से ही अमेरिका, कनाडा, यूरोप, ऑस्ट्रेलिया और न्यूजीलैंड में जीवन बदल रही है और अब हम भारत में इसके लॉन्च को लेकर बहुत उत्साहित हैं। बता दें कि भारतीय प्रबंध निदेशक अखिल चौहान ने कहा, भारत की श्रवण स्वास्थ्य चुनौतियों के समाधान का हल निकालने के लिए स्टारकी द्वारा बेहतर प्रयास किए जा रहे हैं।
Yeah, myself, Dr. Rajshekhar. I'm from Hyderabad. I work in AIG hospitals. So, I'm as
How long have you been associated with Starkey?
mostly below 1 year. I'm
And
doing.
how has been your experience till now?
Yeah, I know it's a good product from before, but I off started lately because of some issues in our there in Hyderabad. But it's an often a good product if you get a good service and patients like if you are putting in the canal instruments, they are very much comfortable with this kind of aids of the Starkey because recently I'm doing completely in the canal instruments which are very small by the Starkey and patients appreciate quite a bit because of its sound quality.
As we are at the product launch of Genesis AI by Starkey, how do you think this is going to help the people in the future?
So bringing artificial intelligence into the hearing aid is a much good breakthrough. Even many companies are doing, but Starkey to see the artificial intelligence in Starkey is very good to allow the sound quality from artificial intelligence itself. Uh, it is helping to understand the situations of the patient and it programs itself so that it fills up gaps in between the sounds which are missing and overall giving a blended quality of good product. So I'm expecting Genesis AI will be also does its job very much better. I experienced it here in the launching session and I felt the sound quality is much superior when compared to the other products.
As a distributor, what support do you, expect from Starkey, and what support are you getting from Starkey?
As a distributor, I expect the patient support, like the patient mishandles our equipment. So, for the first time, suppose they should understand the patient needs and do the service in a nominal cost, not in out of reach. Okay, because if you go to our mobile phones, like the spare parts will be costing you 20,000 for the 50,000 machine. It should not go in that way and of late it should provide a good service communication with the distributor as well of the different equipments and their knowledge but on the timely basis like how they are doing right now. So I expect the same from the Starkey.
Okay, how is AI helpful in hearing aids now?
Definitely because our situational needs in the youngster basically now the hearing loss is much more predictable in youngsters where they are very active and they move to different places and where the noises are more. So the AI will help you to
Ma'am, firstly, please introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah. Hi, I'm Meenakshi Vadera. I'm an audiologist and speech language pathologist, and I'm running my network of clinics in north of India called by the name of Meenakshi Speech and Hearing Clinics.
Ma'am, how long have you been associated with Starkey?
We have been associated with Starkey for last more than 12 years.
And how was your experience till now?
It's a very good company, very innovative. They are, I would say, technology savvy people. They do a lot of R&D and give us the latest in terms of features and quality.
As we are at the product launch of their new hearing aids, Genesis AI, with the use of AI, how easy it is to use hearing aids with AI?
Till now, it was, I would say it was a thought, but now they have launched it, so we're looking forward to that because AI today, beat it any kind of industry, AI is getting promoted, and a lot of research is going into developing products based on AI. And with this particular hearing aid that's coming in by Starkey, we are looking forward to the additional features that we can give to our patients and the comfort our hearing impaired population can have using this technology.
What do you think will be different than the other hearing aids?
See, the difference is the basic difference that we come to know. As of now, we have not tried it, but the basic difference that we have come to know is about the processing speed. It's really faster processing, and the computation power is much more than what we had in any of the hearing aids till now. So that is what we are trying to. We are very excited to try it out on our customers and see if it actually translates into a good experience.
Would you like to describe the hard work behind this product launch between the distributors and Starkey?
Uh, I mean, the hard work between I mean, you yourself can see there is a lot of hard work which has gone to create this total event. They have experience zones where we can actually ourselves experience the difference, and all the talks that has happened since yesterday. They were very enlightening, and there is a lot of back work or the teamwork that goes into such events. So it's not just that what we see here is what happened in a day. So there must have been, I think, months of effort which have, you know, um, I would say, transformed into this particular event. But yes, um, I am really thankful to the whole Starkey team, um, and a good leadership they have. I, I'm, I say that I look forward to working with them on their new product, and also I would say I would congratulate on the success of the event.
Please introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Vijayata. I'm from Ear Connect Speech and Hearing Clinic from Ghaziabad.
I'm Akshi from the same clinic as well.
How long have you guys been associated with Starkey?
Uh, More than 12 years?
And how your experience has been?
Uh, Pretty good. We are, like,
So far, we are doing. Uh,
since Taki India came, we are doing from that day only.
Okay, and as a distributor, what kind of support do you get from Starkey?
Uh, as
quick services,
Yeah,
good hearing aid products
and
with good sound clarity, what the patient requires basically. So, yeah, that's about it.
and of course, Starkey team is very helpful.
Okay, as we are at the product launch of Genesis AI, how do you think it is gonna change the life of people?
It is a good product, way better than the earlier
And
ones.
yeah.
Quite new technologies, and we are hoping uh, the way we have felt about it, the patients are also going to give a great response about it. So let's see.
Okay, at the product launch, what was the best part about the product launch that you guys experienced?
Product launch or about the product?
Yeah, and as
Pro-
the presentation and everything we gained from the.
yeah, everything is in brief, and yeah, it's nice. Overall, good experience.
Okay, how do you think the use of AI in hearing aids is going to work with people in India?
Nowadays, we are growing towards AI, and everyone is focusing on AI. So, yes, it will take its time, but eventually, it is going to take its place as well.
So please introduce yourself to the audience.
Yeah, I'm Rakesh Shikala. I work for, I have my own clinic. It's called the Hills Clinic for Hearing Balance and Speech.
Sir, how long have you been associated with Starkey?
I've been associated for Starkey with almost, it's been 12 years.
And how's been your experience?
It's been wonderful. Every time they come up with new products, they have the latest technology in the market. So there's no second thoughts about any other hearing aid manufacturing because they have the best technology available.
What's your take on the launch of Genesis AI?
Genesis AI is more advanced than other their predecessors. So I think this should create a new field for the patients.
Sir, how do you think the use of AI in hearing aids is going to affect the lives of people?
It become more user friendly and it's more adaptive to their environment, so it's more individual based, which has never been before in any of the hearing aids.
So, what do you think is the perception of Starkey in the minds of people who already know the brand?
Starkey being the biggest manufacturing of hearing aids, and it comes from the world's best country, USA. So there's no any other company that is competing with him.
As a distributor, what kind of support have you gained from Starkey?
We have technical support, we have clinical support. There's always been any issues, they're always prompt on time, so that's one plus point.
Any kind of experiences you would like to share, in changing the lives of people?
We have given hearing aids to a lot of singers back home. So the experience that they miss out when they lose their hearing is the bass, the treble, this finer tune music notes. And with these features, with the hearing aids of Starkey, they are at least getting up to an 80%. They're satisfied because natural is something that cannot be replicated. But with Genesis, we are hoping that that problem should also be solved.
Thank you so much, sir, for
Sure.
giving us this.
Okay, thank you.